Welcome back. In this video I'm showing you the perfect beginner scramble. It's grade 1, it's epic, just a couple of hours from London. I'll show you the exact route, a secret wild camp spot, and why this one might be your next go-to. The route is easy to follow, and if it ever feels too much, you can turn back or take an escape path. And you can even bring your dog. Scooby! What's the dog? That's a good start. Oh no, hiding in the bush, because the dog don't want to come. Oh, here we go. This has got to be the only dog that likes to play hide and seek before a walk. Come on, Scoobs. Okay, that's enough of them shenanigans. Let's get back to business. This route takes you up Crowden Clough. The word clough means a steep valley carved by water, and this clough scramble runs up the side of Kinderscout, which is the highest point and mountain in the Peak District, Derbyshire. The route in this video starts from this postcode here, where you can park for free under these railway arches, or pay and display a little bit further up. But wherever you park, watch out for these winged assassins. They'll eat you alive. Skip, come. Okay, first of all we need to take a 15-minute easy stroll from the car park to a bridge. Yeah, so here we go. Simply follow the road from the car park, go past the farm on the right, to a river, and then through this gate. Come on, Scapes. Hold it. Before the real scrambling kicks in, we need to follow Crowden Brook as it winds up to the steepest sections. This section takes about 15 minutes to complete and includes woodland steps, narrow trails, stiles, a narrow walk the plank style bridge, and plenty of spots for your dog to cool off. Then the trees part and boom! Crowden Clough reveals itself. A beginner's scrambling paradise. No ropes, no fear. Just pure epic adventure. With a perfect, secluded wild camp spot. This section takes about an hour and a half to complete. Follow the clough on the left, avoid the one on the right. The good thing about this route is it gets harder as it goes along, and then the view gets revealed. Heads up, there's no phone signal out here, so make sure you've got an offline map. And if you've got a dog, keep an eye out, there's plenty of sheep around. At this point you follow the river all the way up, and then the path branches off. I'll show you there. And this path here runs parallel to the gorge itself. Gnarly. Into Mordor. See how we get on. Yeah, Scoops. I went left, then I went right. Basically, you just follow the river all the way up, just snaking across each side. As you get in further, the boulders get bigger, and the fun begins. This gully goes round the corner and it looks like it's getting a bit more gnarly. And I don't know what's going on with the water. It looks like blood. It's normal to feel unsure, but plenty of adventurous dogs have taken this path before. As you head deeper, you hit the crux. Short but tricky. And remember, if you're not feeling it, the escape path is just behind you. This is Scooby's first scramble, proof it's a good one for beginners. Once you're past the tricky part, it's a fun scramble up to a plateau. From there, you can head to the summit, loop back to the start along a path, or try a short Grade 2 scramble. If you want the wild camp spot, type in wild camp in the comments and I'll send you the location. If you're enjoying this, hit like or subscribe. It's free and helps me find more epic scrambles to share with you. And finally, if you're after more beginner friendly scrambles, check out this next video. Thanks for watching.